Cancel auto payment on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can cancel the auto payment on Amazon Prime Video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Amazon Prime Video app on your mobile and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are inside the app, tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you will be guided to your profile section. Now, on the profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner. Once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on My Account. Next, tap on Manage Account. Now, to cancel the auto payment, look for the option that says Turn off Auto-Renew or End Membership. Click on that. You may be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. Select one and proceed. And once you have completed these steps, you will receive a confirmation message or email letting you know that your auto renewal has been turned off. You will still have access to Prime videos until the end of your current billing cycles. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled auto payment for Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.